Hi there! Hi there, it's Camille. Welcome back to the channel. This feels so weird. Hi there, it's Camille. Welcome back to the channel. Happy December! Today is Vlogmas Day 1. I am so excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas. I never had time and energy to do everything, but now I have the opportunity to do it because we're currently like on a break and internship starts on Feb pa. So why not grab this opportunity? I just want to say thank you for being here. I'm so sorry for being on and off with the vlogging for the past years. This Vlogmas, I really want to get to know you again. So with that being said, I would love to know about you. Have you been here since the beginning, from like college days, from my fashion lookbook era? You start subscribing to me like when I started med school. Like, I would really love to know. Today is gonna be a chill, productive day. I have a few stuff to do. I want to make my room feel a bit more Christmassy. You guys know that tree? If you have been an OG subscriber, this tree has been with me since college. Sobrang tanda na niyan. So we're gonna be decorating that Christmas tree again for my room. I bought Christmas decor in IKEA last November, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from IKEA that are all Christmassy. Only a few choices there, but I really like what I purchased. So first is for my little Christmas tree, I got these like Christmas balls. They are the perfect size. It's so cute. I like that it's gold. I remember college Camille was super into silver, but now I really like gold. Then I found this, and it's like a gold garland, I think. I'm not really sure what this is, but it's like something that you use to decorate your Christmas tree as well. So I'm gonna put the Christmas tree later. And then another thing that I got is this little fake poinsettia plant. It's so pretty. Like, it's in a white pot, so it goes with my table because I'm trying to go for like a white aesthetic for my table. Christmassy napkin for our table. LED lights. Are these LED? What I like about this is it's battery operated, so you're not gonna be worried about your Christmas lights catching fire because it's battery operated. These just need three AA batteries, and yeah, I really like it. And I like how it has a can. When you clean up and pack up your Christmas decor, you can just put it inside this and it's protected, and then next year you can use it again. So we have my little Christmas tree over here, and the old decor is still on it, so let's just remove that. Tiny Christmas tree. It's like almost just as big as my head. I have like these lights that I bought from Shopee, and it's just the perfect length for my mini Christmas tree. And I don't know how long this is gonna last, but hopefully for the rest of December it's going to be okay. And it just lights up. Okay, is that good? Yeah. Should I put this first or the balls? That's so cute. This is how the tree looks like so far. I just realized that inside it actually has like strings. So it has ribbons that you can tie on the Christmas ball. So let's see how it will look like with the lights. Wow! It's so cute! I can't like get up and do anything because Rain is on my stomach and he's sleeping. So my boyfriend just sent some starbs at home and the note is so sweet. It says, "Enjoy your Vlogmas day today with starbs. Love, I love you. Rardos." Thank you, BB. So he got me hazelnut mocha macchiato, soy milk because I am lactose intolerant, and roasted ham, egg, and cheese on croissant bun. OMG. Oh my gosh, don't show your butt to the camera. So this is iced soy hazelnut macchiato. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good! Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And he also got me food. Ooh. What's this? So, no, it's not for you. It's not for you. It's not for you. So this is a croissant. I think it's a ham and cheese. So let's try it. Coffee and food today. Care of the boyfriend. So it's currently 2:39 and I'm just going to eat my croissant and then I'm gonna get back to work. So today I'm planning on the pile of clothes on my chair. I already set aside the clothes that I wanna sell, but I still have to sort them out because some of the clothes are like too worn out already, and I'm gonna just like donate that because I know there are like some shops wherein you can donate like a paper bag full of clothes and you get like 15% off. I think that's H&M or Monkey, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do that. And I'm also going to show you guys the clothes that I'm going to be, well, some of the clothes that I'm going to be selling, and like I really like them, but sadly they don't fit me anymore because weight gain. But it's okay, I'm gonna let it go. If you guys are like interested in like any of the clothes that you'll see later, like just check out my Carousell. All of the clothes are very affordable, and I also do Shopee checkout, or if you're like near me or you're willing to pay for the shipping fee, then I can ship it out to you. I haven't shown you guys my fish. This fish, I honestly feel like is super smart because she always like notices when I'm here. I don't know, I've had other fish before and they never do that, like they don't care about me, but this fish seems to care a lot about me. And look, it's like saying hi to the camera. I haven't named her yet, like I just got her recently and I can't think of a name, so if you have any suggestions of a name for my betta fish, please comment down below. It's so heavy. Okay, I don't know where to start, but I'm just going to. So first is this. It's so pretty. And looking at it, parang I don't want to sell it anymore kasi it's so cute and like it has memories. Kasi I wore this during yung first Valentine's date namin ni Rard, and wala, parang sentimental. I have a lot of clothes na hindi ko mabenta kasi sobrang sentimental. Like, Parang just random things. Like I still have my cheerleading uniform when I was in grade 2, and then like basta like all those mga clothes na parang sentimental na may memories attached to it. So kahit they don't fit me, I can't sell it talaga. And this one, I think naman it's going to fit me pa rin. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna sell this talaga kasi I tried it on, tapos hindi na talaga siya kasha. It's from Mango. It's really cute. It's like denim and it has this ruffle thing. Tapos these shorts are from Zara and it's really good quality denim. Why am I doing percussion? Basta the wait lang. Nakakatawa. Ba't ako nagper-percuss sa jeans na to? The denim is really thick talaga. It's super good quality. And the next thing, I bought this in Bangkok. And it's a set. So, I wore this like New Year. So, it comes with a jacket and also the shorts. And I recently tried it on and it really doesn't fit me anymore. So, I'm selling it. And yeah, it's really cute. I swear. It's like an oversized jacket. And then it has these like shiny things. So, I'm selling this also. This one's brand new. So, these are trousers from Lovito. Like, there's a tag pa. Kasi nga, I gained weight, diba? So, yung trousers ko na like this, it doesn't fit me anymore. So, I was like, I think I should buy a bigger size. Tapos, nung dumating naman to, I tried it on. It's so big. Like, twice the size. And, you know, parang, ugh. So, I decided to sell this. These are another pair of trousers. I think it's from Uniqlo. I wore this in college when we had OJT days. I tried it on and it doesn't fit me. This one also, unfortunately, I need to sell this. It doesn't fit! It doesn't fit. Yeah, it's from Lovito also. It's already a size large, but it's tight on like my hips, so I'm selling it. I haven't even worn this. I think I wore it like once. And then this one. Oh, I really love this skirt. This skirt went to so many events back when like I was still being invited to events. Next is this skirt. It's a long skirt. I wore this also during my OJT days. And I love it, but it doesn't fit me anymore. Okay, these are really good pants. I got this from Mango and it has like a leather texture to it, but it's not shiny. This is size 6. It's size 6 and it doesn't fit me because it's so tight na. But yeah, I'm selling this. This one is perfect for Christmas. I wore it once. I bought it because I super loved like the design and all. The size that I wanted was sold out, so I was just hoping that it would fit, and it does fit me, but then right now it doesn't fit me anymore. So that's why I'm selling it, and this is perfect for Christmas. You know, Christmas anything, you should get this. Another Christmassy thing is this. It has a tag pa. See? So cute. You can also get this. Just check out my shop on Carousell. Pagod na ako, hindi pa ako nagsisimula. I don't know, I just can't let go of it yet. I just really love it. Like, it still sparks joy, you know. But that's what Marie Kondo says, like, ask yourself, does it spark joy? And like, for me, it still sparks joy. So, I'm gonna keep this. So I just woke up from my nap and it's currently 5:03. Rain also took a nap, as well as Shine, who's stretching right now. So Rain is awake already. Are you awake? Are you ready to go for a walk? No? You know what's gonna help him wake up? His leash. Rain, I'm surprised! See, he gets so excited. Biglang nabuhayan. Oh, ikaw din? Ikaw din? Sama ka din? Let's go. Distance 1.88 kilometers. This doggo is very tired but happy. Also this one. Also, I'm happy because this day was pretty productive. I got a lot of things done. I decluttered my closet. I took pictures of the stuff that I'm gonna sell. I was able to walk the dogs. I decorated my little Christmas tree. I just want to say that my days aren't as productive as this. Usually, sometimes I just sleep the whole afternoon because I'm too tired to get up to walk the dogs, and that's totally fine. If you feel like you need to rest, go sleep, and then the next day you can walk the dogs and feel energized. So don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get to do the things that are on your to-do list. So take the time to rest if you need to. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't yet, and give this video a like. Bye!